Tonight feels like the quiet beginning of something new, a moment I've been inching toward for weeks, ever since I ordered the transmitter that finally unlocks the full potential of the Neo 2. It arrived today at last, a small piece of hardware with a surprisingly big impact. And as I connect it to my controller for the very first time, there's this subtle sense of anticipation, that familiar mix of curiosity and calm focus that comes right before a new experience. By the time everything is paired and ready, the daylight has already slipped away, leaving only the soft glow of streetlights and the quiet darkness of the evening. And so, without planning it, this becomes my very first night flight. There's no grand mission behind it, no perfect shot I'm chasing, just a simple test, a gentle exploration of what this little machine can do, when the world around it is reduced to shadows, reflections, and scattered points of light. And yet, even in a moment this simple, I can't help but compare it to what I'm used to. For years I've flown the larger DJI drones, the ones with big sensors and serious low-light power, the kind of machines that turn night into something almost cinematic by default, capturing clean shadows, crisp highlights, and details that seem to rise effortlessly out of the darkness. So I know better than to expect that same level of perfection from a drone this small. It's not built to compete with the giants, and it doesn't need to, because what it does deliver is something surprisingly capable, something honest and practical, and far better than its size would ever suggest. As I guide the Neo 2 through the night, I'm watching closely how the image holds together when the light fades, how the noise settles into the shadows, and whether the sensor can still carve out something usable from a scene that barely offers any illumination at all. And to my surprise, it's more than usable. It has character, it has texture, and even though it won't replace my main drones, I can already see how these shots will blend beautifully into future videos, as atmospheric B-roll, as subtle transitions, as those small visual moments that add depth without demanding attention.